is Young, and today I want to share with you guys on how to get cinematic videos in the simplest way possible with your Mavic Mini. So let's get started right away. So the first tip is really simple. All you need to do is just wake up early. That will ensure that you get the most amazing cinematic footage possible. This morning, I got out of the apartment a little bit later than intended. So the sun was a little bit high up. However, you still get the warm tone in the sky, which is gorgeous. All you need to do is just to fly forward, and it's enough to get an amazing cinematic footage. But if you manage to get up earlier for the golden hour, then you get this kind of dramatic shot. And the second tip is adjusting the EV value and locking the auto exposure so that the color wouldn't be too exposed, so you actually can see like the orange yellow tone as well as the slight blue tone in the sky. Sunset time is of course the same, but I do prefer the sunrise. Then you get the beautiful sunrise shot as well as the bright energetic daylight afterwards. Third tip is making sure that you use the Cine Smooth mode. I mean, for me, Cine Smooth is useful, especially when you're up close to an object that you're filming, especially when you're doing this like 3-axis movement. I love the 3-axis movement where you move forward and backwards at the same time as right or left, and at the same time as where you turn left and right. That movement is absolutely gorgeous. It really gives you that feeling of like moving around the object, and you can capture it in the most cinematic way possible. In that case, I would prefer using Cine Smooth mode because it slows down the drone. So it actually gives you enough time for you to sort of control very slowly and framing the object at the same time. And don't worry about the slow speed, because at editing time, you can probably speed it up by about 1.5 times and still look natural. I hope it was really useful, and the very last tip is go out and enjoy fly drone, whether it's early morning, even during sunset time or during daytime, because daytime you do get amazing color with this drone. So I'll continue flying my Mavic Mini and we'll come back with other videos. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!